everyone, this is Cheryl from GME China. Our face masks are produced in sterile and dust-free sites through all the production processes, especially the sterilization process. And our face masks are with ergonomic design. Now we see that our face masks are quite with the ergonomic design, and it is better fit to the face. We can see that it is quite better to the face. And the elastic bands are with good quality and not easy to break. And for the waterproof performance, we all know that the coronavirus are spreading via saliva droplets from a cough and or sneeze. And our melt brown layer, are waterproof and can effectively prevent the virus outside. Now we have a testing about the waterproof performance. Okay. We can see that there are no water outside. Yes. And we have a lot of face masks in our stock, and we can deliver the goods within 1 to 3 days when you order the face masks. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.